G'day guys, just wanted to do a quick update video for the fuel filler flap latch video that I've just done recently. Just using this little kit, it's DA1114, just something I've picked up. I've had issues with this, basically it's not working. Little bezel part that comes with the kit, I think seems to be a bit of an issue with it. As you see, if I whack that in place, I've just taken the main cover off this, but it just doesn't do the job of latching where it should. Whereas if I just hold this is the original one that come off, but as you can see, the little prongs broke off. So if I use the one that come with that kit, that little bezel, I want to get it up the right way. I'll put that in. You can see that it just doesn't latch. If I hold in place the original one, the broken one, this is why I removed this cover, just to try fitting this. It works. So as you can see guys, that aftermarket latch is not playing the game, so I'm going to have a hunt around and see if I can get the genuine bezel. That's the name that's called in the parts diagrams I've seen. I'll throw that part number in the description below, so if you require any of this, I'd recommend hunting for the genuine parts at this stage. I'll let you know how we get along. Hopefully the genuine parts solve the problem. Alright, cheers guys.